What's up guys, GogoTech back with another video. Today we're gonna be sharing my thoughts on the new iPhone SE. So let's get right into it. Okay, first of all, we have three main categories we're gonna target in this video. First, we have the design. Second, we have the performance. Third, we have the price. Okay, so let's get on with the design. Apple has given us three main colors: red, white, and black for the new iPhone SE. Second thing, the Apple logo is a little bit distant down below, so in the center, the same theme as with the iPhone 11 Max. Alright, and the third is that it has the same form factor as the iPhone 8. So all cases will be supported of the iPhone 8 will be supported also to the iPhone SE. Okay, on the performance side, the new iPhone will rock the latest A13 bionic chip, so all the games will be smooth with it. It's gonna rock also 3 GB of RAM, and it has also some software enhancements for the camera, such as next generation Ultra HDR and some smart eye red eye correction. Touch ID sensor is the best. Like that button down below, it's something satisfying to click it or to touch it and to unlock your phone with it. Like, Apple, please. We like to see this future coming to the market again. The iPhone SE has a single camera, 12 megapixel, as you can see, 12 megapixel. This camera will support 4K at 24 frames per second, 30 frames per second, and 60 frames per second. And it will also have a full HD with image stabilization at 30 frames per second and at 60 frames per second, with 720p at 30 frames per second. And the slow motion will be from the full HD 1080p with 120 frames per second or with 240 frames per second. So a lot of variations here. Like, I like the camera a lot, with also continuous auto stabilization for your camera. The camera is very nice, trust me on this one. So let's get to the third sector of this video, which is the price. Okay, so the 64 GB model will come at $399 US, and the 128 GB will come at $450, and the 265 GB will come at $550. So these are the Apple prices. I will also leave down the link down below if you want to check it out, if you also want to buy it. I'm not affiliated with Apple in no means. I just like, I'm very happy and very proud to suggest you this iPhone. I really suggest you buy this iPhone, like highly suggested. It's a very nice iPhone. And yeah guys, that was it for this video. If you found it helpful, be sure to drop me one like and comment down below if you have any questions. I will truly answer them all. And like, stay tuned for more videos, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.